Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make banana popsicles. To begin, gather your simple ingredients. You'll need about 3 ripe bananas, 1/2 cup of milk, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of your preferred sweetener, like honey or maple syrup. Make sure your bananas are nice and ripe for the best flavor and natural sweetness. This simple combination forms the delicious base for your homemade frozen treats. Next, let's prepare your banana mixture. First, peel and slice your 3 ripe bananas into smaller pieces. Then, add these banana slices, along with your 1/2 cup of milk and 1 to 2 tablespoons of sweetener, into a blender. Blend everything until it's completely smooth and creamy, with no lumps. This step is crucial for a perfectly smooth popsicle texture. Now it's time to freeze your delicious creations. Carefully pour the smooth banana mixture into your popsicle molds, filling them almost to the top. Insert a popsicle stick into the center of each mold. Place the filled molds into your freezer for at least 4 to 6 hours, or until they are completely solid. For easy removal, briefly run warm water over the outside of the molds. Want to get creative? Try some delicious variations. For a chocolate banana treat, add 1/4 cup of cocoa powder to your blend, or mix in 1/2 cup of fresh or frozen berries for a fruity burst. A spoonful of peanut butter creates a creamy, satisfying popsicle. You can also add a pinch of cinnamon or a dash of vanilla extract for an extra layer of flavor.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.